Good morning! Good morning! How are you? Kanina sa likod ko? World Branding Award Trophies, no? So, matagal na ito naka-display dito, no? So, ngayon na, nilalagay po natin, nagpa-install po tayo ng poster, no? Or siguro a relief wall para makita ng mga bisita natin at syempre mga Hyper members what the World Branding Award Trophies are all about. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes!
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Trophies here, yung dalawang trophy na sa office ko, no? Siyempre nagtira naman ako ng remembrance sa opisina ko. So I have the Ferncy trophy in my office and one of the Ferncy trophies in my office. So when you look at this wall, nakalagay po dito, aside from the picture, nakalagay po dito, Ferncy Brand of the Year 2019-2020. Tapos nakalagay yung date niya, November 14, 2019. No? So nakalagay po dito. Tapos ito, is the same, no? November 14, 2019, no? Nakalagay po dito. At nandito po sa picture natin, nasa picture po, sino yung mga kasama po namin, no? And then the next one, pandemic year na po to, pandemic year 2020-2022. So nangyari po yung awarding, ano lang siya, virtual lang. So via Zoom meeting lang siya. Naka-Zoom meeting po, tapos yung lahat ng mga awardees, no, sama-sama po dun sa Zoom meeting. And ginawa po natin, pinalabas natin yung Zoom meeting, no, dun sa Hyper Mezzanine, no, with an LED wall. And ito po yung mga presidential directors natin na in attendance. So the next one, no, 2023, 2024, ito po, ganon virtual pa rin. But itong picture po, of course, kasama natin si Des Lacerna as one of the, delegates. And ito po, nasa World Branding Awards website po itong picture na to. So that's why it's posted here. Ito po, 2023, 2024, no? Again, no, these are the people na kasama po natin. Ito yung time na pinakamarami kasi kasama po natin not just a $1 million club but the presidential directors to join us. And then ito po yung last year. Itong nauna po, puro Kensington Palace. Dito po Tower of London. Nag-change po sila ng venue. But still another heritage site ng UK or ng London. So, para pagka magdi-discuss kayo sa mga bisita nyo when you do the Diamond Tour, it's very important to add this World Branding Wall as part of your Diamond Tour. Kasi tayo lang ang only direct selling or networking company in the world with the world branding. Tapos, aside from that, Ferncy is the only vitamin C in the world with the World Branding Awards. And Fern-D is the only vitamin D in the world with the World Branding Award. But on top of that, Fern-D has 6 consecutive World Branding Awards. So pag nagkwento po kayo, sasabihin niyo 5 lang yung naka-display dito. Actually, 6 na yung World Branding ng Fern-D. At yung pinakaunang World Branding for a pharmaceutical product or a vitamin was Fern-C in 2016. Okay? So tapos nandito meron pang write-up dito. At dito meron pong mga QR code dito. Pwede nyo pong balilin. Pupunta po kayo doon sa site, no? Para there's more information for you to read, no? About the award. Okay, thank you very much. And congratulations to Hyper Nation. Thank you.